Okay. Well, first of all, the Europeanized version of the Bible takes out of most of the versions of the Bible, the actual real versions of the Bible have been lost in the 600s. They were burned down when the Muslims came and sacked Rome, where the original Bible existed. So a lot of the Bibles that we have today, especially the King James version that's pushed out, is just a interpretation through word of mouth. There is no original Bible that's never existed. And then our ancient knowledge is mixed in with the Bible as it, which is untrue. A lot of the untruth in the Bible, there is truth, but there's a lot of untruth as well. And there was a lot of, dictations, a lot of things revised. And with our ancient knowledge now that we know that the Bible isn't true. I mean, come on now, it's not. And then a lot of our ancient knowledge has been taken out of the Bible so we cannot tap into that side of our melanin, inside of our ancient ancestors, so we can actually get out of our predicament and start creating things like we used to, like when black people were building pyramids and things of that nature. So that's what that is. The Bible is nothing but an interpretation of a story that got granularized, and then it's a story upon a story upon a story, and then it's a revisement of a story. It's a copy of a copy of a copy.
Stop all that coon shit, early morning cartoon shit. This is that goon shit, fuck up your whole afternoon shit. I'm aware I'm a wolf, soon as the moon hit, I'm aware I'm a king. Back at the tomb, bitch.